Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. So I'm here at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are super important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then they'll know what to rank it for. So you see I put in your URL here and then I head down here to your H1 tags. Right now your H1 tag says Frost Electric provides professional, residential, commercial, and industrial electrical services to the Napa Valley and surrounding areas. So if you go back to your website, it's right here. It's a perfect place for it. It's really the first thing that Google sees on your page to determine what it's about. But here you're kind of confusing Google because you're talking about Napa Valley and surrounding areas. A good H1 will have your city or county plus your service. So like Sonoma County Electric or Sonoma County Electricians, Sonoma County or Napa County, but I wouldn't put Napa Valley and surrounding areas because that's confusing Google and then they don't know really what to rank you for. And then you can always put it on the other pages like your H2 tags over down here on your H2 tags, like instead of it licensed electricians, you can have, obviously a page for Sonoma, a page for Napa, and then obviously the content to back it up and to make Google rank you for multiple locations. But in your H1 tag on your homepage, you really need to pick one area that you want to focus on. And then the other item that goes hand in hand with this is the metadata. So if you go ahead here and go to a Google search, I did Sonoma County Electricians, but you could do Napa County Electricians, Napa Valley Electricians. Basically all these blue lines here, those are the metadata. And you can see like the top guy is talking about Sonoma County Electrician. And that's why they're at the top. Basically, you go back here to yours and you're talking about Napa and Sonoma County, Frost Electric. Bet you if you Googled Frost Electric, Napa and Sonoma County, you'd be at the top because that's what Google thinks you're about. But obviously nobody's going to know to Google Frost Electric and Sonoma and Napa County. Most of the time people Google where they're at. They're not going to Google two counties at the same time. But I just wanted to show you that. And then also when people are Googling, they're going to Google for like electrician or Sonoma County Electrical Company, similar keyword. So those are just a couple of things I wanted to help you see. And then also if you ever want to check your rank, I don't recommend going on Google because every time you search your keywords slowly as the weeks go by, Google's going to start moving you up because they're going to see what you're looking for. So instead, I always use a third-party tool. I use Rank Tracker, and I pulled you up here. And then this actually will pull your ranking and it'll check it every day. So I actually put in your company name, and obviously you're ranking #1 for your company name. But again, nobody's going to know to Google that, so that doesn't really count. But here you're really ranking bottom of page 3, 4, 6 for other keywords in your industry. So once you change your H1 and metadata, I would change those two and then make sure that, again, you have a city or county plus the service in those and make them very similar to each other. They don't have to be exactly the same, but very similar. So that's crystal clear to Google what your site's about. And most importantly, those are the most important, but obviously you want to get to page 1, and I can help you get to page 1, and I can help you get on these maps here. And then really, as you know, most people don't go past page 1. If you can be on the maps with some citation work, I can do that for you and get you on page 1 here, because that can really increase your income just by being on page 1, because literally 90% of traffic only stops at page 1, doesn't go to page 2. So if you have any questions, just reply this email and let's get on the first page of Google and get that phone ringing off the hook. Thank you so much for your time, and I wish you much success.